Hey everybody, it's Paul with Weed in the Bush. That is correct. I am sleeping underneath my trampoline. We currently have a wind warning in effect. It is snowing and blowing, so I figured why not. Smoke joint. Bedtime joint. I don't know, I just couldn't resist myself. And I remembered when Richard gave me the sleeping bags, he had some sort of tarp or something. I'm using it as a bivvy. Should work alright. There's no headpiece and the snow is blowing all around. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, maybe we'll see you in the morning. Oh yeah, I also made some hot chocolate. I couldn't fit the air mattress, the sleeping bag in this. I don't know what it is. I think it's some sort of like A-frame tent style thing that you just put up with the strings. But yeah, don't worry. The abandoned stealther, it's coming. I don't know, I was bored. Haven't seen you guys in a while. First winter storm of the year, may as well sleep outside underneath the trampoline in your own backyard. I don't know, what else is there to do? I do have like both the sleeping bags. So like there's what I was sleeping in before, like last trip, and then this is like the outer, and then this piece here is like the bivvy, and then you can just zip it up like a sleeping bag. I don't know, no idea. And then yeah, I got my shoulder strap thing on. I got no bad dad joke. I wasn't prepared. This all happened in like the last 15 minutes. And here I am. Everything's gonna be wet in the morning. I'm doing my stealther on Friday, so I got a couple days to get everything all dry. I guess I hope everybody from the Stealth Camping Alliance is doing well with their challenges. And if you can't make it, that's alright, there'll be more. There'll be one every month. On the 11th, somebody can announce it. Anybody. And then, I'm not too sure what to do if 2 people or 3 people announce a challenge video. I don't know, what are your guys' thoughts on that? I mean, if me, Weed in the Bush, and Taran Studios, and Steve the Transit Camper, what if they all throw out challenges? What do we pick? Your thoughts? We don't really want to make this a leader or anything. Nobody wins. We all get participation awards. Yeah, it's called going out and having a badass time. Wind's fucking banging something over there. This is a wedding cake. Fellow grower. My garden's doing okay-ish. I may have let camping get in the way of a few essential things. Camping and work. Work was really busy. But yeah, I mean, otherwise, obviously you'll see me get up in the morning, and if I don't make it, you'll know. I'll let you know. Come on now. Neighbors are probably like, what the fuck is that guy doing? I don't know if you can. Even just while I've been kind of just sitting here, the snow has built up. Yes, I am underneath the trampoline. Figure a little bit of shelter. Especially I have no idea what this thing is. I feel, like I said, I feel nice and toasty warm. Ooh, the wind. We'll see. I have no idea. I don't know. I'm definitely going to try and make it. Yeah. So I guess we're going to just finish with a couple last little puffs of this. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe button, that notification bell. Because I'm all over the place. Make sure you bleep bloop down in the comments. Some bad dad jokes. But do all that stuff. Tell your friends, tell your enemies. Register trademark Outlaw Camper. But yeah, anyways, like I said, we'll see you in the morning. Stealth camping, Alliance, rocks. It's just badass. Never in the world did I think it'd be this cool. So get out there, do it, give it a shot. Yeah. It'll be neat. Anyways, good night, guys. We finished her off, anyways. Hey guys, it's Paul with Weed in the Bush. Smoking a joint. We're not in the bush, but anyway, so last night, last time you guys seen me, I was sleeping underneath my trampoline. Okay, so the snow was blowing and it was just constantly on my face. I slept okay. I was not cold at all. But there was something in the alley that was boom, 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 all night long. And that was what kept me mostly awake. And then at about 3:30 in the morning, nope, pulled the pin. Sorry guys. I woke up and that sound was going and the snow was on my face. It was melting. Like I was actually starting to get like chunks of frozen stuff on me. So lesson learned, I'm getting a bivvy that covers your face because that was awesome. Anyway, so I wanted, like, when I woke up, I was like, oh, okay, well, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to film everybody. I'm going to let everybody know that I'm leaving. I'm going in the house. I failed. And I couldn't find my phone. I'm like, fuck, I don't know. So I ended up just rolling up my whole system as it was, tarp, everything, came into the garage and then started picking it all apart. And it ended up somehow getting out of my pocket and then going in between the two sleeping bags and then like almost down at my feet. Like it was at my knees. I don't know where it was when I woke up because I rolled it up. But that's what happened. And then I came in the house, kind of like unpacked things so they would dry, went upstairs, went to bed at about like 4 o'clock. Got up at 5:30. I was like, yeah, I'm going to start the day. And then next thing I know, it's like 7:15 and I'm almost late for work. So, here's my follow-up video for last night's fail anyways. But yeah, that's it. Sorry, I'm just filling up my reservoir here. I'm like right about to where it needs to be. I think I'll show you guys the room, but they'll age ban that, and I don't want to age ban my camping, so we'll just leave that as it is. She's full. Yeah, again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button, and just wait for the 22nd. Stealth Camping Alliance is dropping big. We're gonna explode. See you in less than a week, because the 22nd is Monday, 4/20. See you guys soon.